So it always just matters about how much of each colour you put in. Now the next step would be, you can either go darker or you can go lighter. So you really only need 5 tubes of paint. You need your red, yellow and blue, and you need a black and a white. Now when it comes to black, like I was talking about the blue being a very dark colour, you only need a pinch, the tiniest pinch of black to change the colour. Basically just changing it if you wanted to do a shadow or something like that. And the opposite with white, if you wanted to do a highlight, just dip a bit of white in there. So I'm going to go for, this is tricky to do. I'm just going to do the main colours with each, to highlight each of them. Okay, so I'll take a pinch of white, let's see what we get. Turns into pink. Okay, so your red mixed with white, it's like Bon Darug, Darug and Bon, Darug and Bon equals Bon Darug. Pink. Now, tiny pinch of black. I'll mix it in with the red, so we should, see now. Didn't I take too much black there? I went in twice. Went in and got an extra little nibble of black and it was too much. The tiniest little nibble is enough. You can be a bit more generous with your white. The black paint just really changes it very quickly. So I'm just going to squeeze a bit of fresh red on there. Now you've got a dark red there. That's the way to go for each of them. So I'll go for yellow over here. Fresh bit. And over there. I can use the blue here because there's plenty of blue. So I'll take a pinch of the white. Yeah, I'll take a good bit of the white actually. Well, I'll take a smaller bit and we'll see how it goes. So if you wanted to draw or if you wanted to colour in a nice sky blue, that might be a sea blue, it's still quite dark. But you can see it's getting brighter, slightly brighter. Just going to wipe its feet here. More, so you have to be a bit more generous with the white. It's not as powerful as the black paint. Take even more. So now we're getting to a nice sky blue. So you're mixing more white. You can see the different blue in there inside it. Okay, there you go. Now the last one, I don't know really why you'd want a bright yellow or a lighter yellow, but Let's go for it anyway. There's a little bit of the blue still on my brush. I didn't do very good washing there. But you can see it's like a pale yellow. It's turning a tiny bit green because of the blue. Silly me. So a nice pale yellow there. Now we'll try the darker colours now, just a tiny pinch. Put it into the blue. I think that was too much black even for the yellow section there, so that's why I went into the blue. And you can see there that it's darker blue than your main blue. Okay. And this would go the same for any of your other colours. If you wanted orange, a dark orange or a light orange, same system. You just take your orange, add a teeny tiny bit of black, or take your orange and add some white. I want a light orange. Tiny speck. See, that tiny speck was all I needed. And again, I probably have some blue on this still. But again, you're getting into a dark yellow with just the tiniest speck of black. So if you have those 5 colours at home, you can give all of them a go. If you just have yellow, red and blue, you can get your circle going and the brown in the middle. Give it a go. Enjoy.